Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious frozen chocolate-covered strawberries. First, choose ripe, firm strawberries, ideally about 1.5 inches in size. Washing them thoroughly is crucial, but drying them completely is even more important. Any moisture will prevent the chocolate from sticking properly. Lay out a sheet of parchment paper on a baking tray. This will be essential for the freezing process and easy cleanup. Getting these steps right ensures a perfect base for your treat. Next, let's prepare the chocolate. You'll need about 12 ounces of good quality chocolate, like semi-sweet or dark. Melt it gently using a double boiler or microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring frequently. The goal is a smooth, glossy consistency, ideally around 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Hold each strawberry by its stem and dip it into the melted chocolate, covering about 2/3 of the berry. Let any excess chocolate drip off before placing it on your prepared baking sheet. Once dipped, immediately place each chocolate-covered strawberry onto the parchment-lined baking tray. Work quickly, as the chocolate will start to set. Transfer the tray to your freezer and let the strawberries chill for at least 30 minutes. This allows the chocolate to harden completely and the strawberries to firm up. For an extra touch, you can melt a small amount of white chocolate and drizzle it over the frozen berries before serving. This adds both visual appeal and another layer of flavor. To store your delicious frozen chocolate-covered strawberries, place them in an airtight container. They will keep well in the freezer for up to 2 weeks, ready whenever you crave a sweet, frosty treat. You can enjoy them straight from the freezer. The texture is wonderfully firm and refreshing. They also make a fantastic dessert for any gathering. For more great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which is perfect for keeping your kitchen clean after all that baking, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your homemade delights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.